Akanksha, and today I'm going to share with you my shopping haul. So I wanted to do a shopping haul video for the longest time, but I couldn't get to it since I don't shop that much in winters. But recently I went to Sarojini Nagar, and how can you not come back with any clothes from there? So I picked up some really great pieces from there, and I just wanted to share those with you guys. And there's a bit of shopping from here and there, so I hope you like it, and let's get started. So the first thing that I picked up from there is a real steal. It's this denim dungaree, and I love these rips on it, and I wanted a dungaree for a very long time, and I just love this one. Plus, you know what? This dungaree is from Forever 21. And no, this is not a fake tag, because it has these tags on. Oh my god. I mean, I was amazed to see this. I just saw this dungaree, and when I asked that person to bring it down, and I saw this tag, and right that moment I knew that I'm buying this. I think this dungaree is a real steal, and I'm going to wear it a lot. So I got this for 200 rupees, and I think that's an amazing price for this dungaree. So I'm sure you're going to love the next item. It's this black blazer, and it has these big gold buttons on it, and this fits me so well, guys, and I can work it around with any outfit. I can wear it as a formal outfit, I can throw it on over a casual dress, and I've worn it a few times, and I've got so many compliments on the fit and how it looks, and I just love this. So this one I got for 100 rupees. So I don't think that's bad at all. So the next item that I shopped from Sarojini Nagar is this black sweater kind of a top. It's not exactly sweater, but it's still quite warm. And I love this because of this crisscross thing that it has on its front and on the arms, on the sides. And I love it, and this too I got for just 100 rupees. So the next thing is this cutout off shoulder top that I bought from Sarojini Nagar, and I just love this, and it's only for 100 rupees, guys. Can you believe it? So next I did a bit of shopping from Koovs.com. Koovs has their sale been going on from I think over a month now, and I think it's still going on, so you can also go and check this out. The first is this mint colored bodycon skirt. And yeah, I just wanted nothing special. I just wanted a good fitted skirt in a bright summer color, and this fits me perfectly. And this originally is for 795, but on sale I think I got it for 250. So yeah, I like that. So the next is this cuff bracelet, and it's really simple and minimal with this arrow detail, and it has a gold finish, and I really like it. And this was only for 100 rupees on sale, so yeah, I like it a lot. So the last item is this broad belt that I bought from there, and I wanted a really nice brown belt, and I love this one. It has these dual buckle sort of things going on. But like, you know, always on sale you run out of sizes. So this is slightly bigger for me, but I don't want to lose it, so I'm trying to figure out a way how I can wear it. But yeah, I really love this. This was for about 400 on sale, and I love it. So that was all that I shopped, guys, and I hope you really liked it. And if you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more such videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel so we could be best friends. And do comment below and tell me which one was your favorite item, because I'd love to know. Okay, bye.